one day in my life. Hey, it is just after 10 and we checked in our accommodation for a night and we just decided to stay here, have a chilled one today, do some planning. I need to apply for a visa for India anyway. And thank you. And yeah, then maybe tomorrow we're active in McDonald's and I keep you updated what we do today, hey? See ya! So, this shower a day keeps the doctor away. Now we're getting some local food. So we just finished the whole thing. And the bot decided we have to get another spring rolls. Hey, just about to get a haircut. Fresh. There you go. Look. Like my favorite Turkish guy. Schön noch links viele Reste geben, schön mit Shaver. Good job. Oh boy. Cheers. So after the drinks we need to relax a bit more, and so we just decided to get a massage. And of course it's not in the saloon, it's upstairs. In our back room. Seems like happy ending. Just sweet. Good massage. Just in here. Okay, thank you. Ooh, it's that. Okay. We are now heading out for dinner. So we just finished dinner, went for a walk, and now I asked her if she wants to drive. She's like,
no, yes, I say yes. Okay.
Whatever. So now we're going back and having some rest. Then I talk to my brother. So yeah, so good. Oh, we have to catch the train. Let's go. Hurry up. Yay! Choo 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 choo.